In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecraft, unmanned space probe. They are the famous Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. At first, the 2 probes is the person charged with exploring the outer planets of the solar system, have visited Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and took thousands of photos that are hard to place. Letter image. In the 1980s, the original task has been completed. However, after visiting the outer planets of the solar system, their journey has only just begun. So far, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, it's been flying for 46 years, has crossed the heliosphere and entered interstellar space. Voyager 1 is at a distance from Earth. It has reached 23 billion kilometers, become so far the farthest man-made probe ever flown by humans. They're still running today and maintain regular communication with the Earth, but the nuclear-powered batteries they carry will continue until 2020. When the battery is exhausted, it will stop working, lonely towards the center of the galaxy. On this endless journey, Voyager, at least 40,000 years, it will arrive in the next week. If discovered by other civilizations, then they will be the messengers of the Earth. Because on the body of the Voyager probe, it also carries Earth information and coordinates. It contains information about our world and all the information about the solar system. The message was burned on a gold disc. This is a 12-inch gold-plated bronze medal. The cover is marked with the coordinates of the sun. Locate with 14 pulsars. And the signal frequency of the pulsar is marked. In addition to the above, it is also marked with the instruction manual in binary. Explains the origin of the detector and how to read the information on the playing record. And inside, it's recording select sounds from Earth. There are from different languages, 90 minutes of music from Hua times, and animal sounds, such as whales, cricket train, and the sound of the waves in nature, wind, and so on. There are also 55 different audio greetings. In addition to this information, it also shows the major lines of the solar system, star and data images, landforms on Earth, insects, animals, etc. A total of about 115 photos. Almost detailed coverage of the entire solar system and the diversity of life and culture on Earth. Content to be included. It was created by the famous astronomer Carl Sagan, and NASA's committee decided. In 1977, Carl Sagan said, "This record, although it is only a symbolic record, but maybe in the future, this information will represent us in the universe, the only evidence of existence, because I don't know in the future how long will humans survive." Here we go. We're going to watch in silence on a gold disc. What is it? above. It's part of the image information from the Voyager record. It is expected that in the coming years, they go silent when the battery runs out. And carry this information will travel alone in the universe for tens of thousands of years, hundreds of thousands of years. I don't know if they would have been taken by people by then.